Hi everybody, this is Nan. So this is a video on how to cross-list your sections so that you would have one umbrella class with the various sections that you are teaching under that one umbrella class. Once ITS has uploaded your sections into Canvas, you should be able to see them as under unpublished courses here when you log into ilani.instructure.com, and this is the dashboard view. You probably will not have this parent course, and they're not going to be listed as child courses. They'll be listed by some name, right, with your sections. The course code will be below here. What you will want to do is create a new course and just start a brand new course, whatever you want to call it. In this case, I called it bio, and I put in parent just so that I know that that is the parent course that I am going to cross-list under. Okay, so the way that cross-listing works is that you're going to go into the child course, and then you're going to cross-list them under the parent course. So the first thing you want to do is go into the parent course, and the important thing here is that all of these courses have to be unpublished to start. If you have any courses that are published already, it's not going to work. Okay? So if you already have information that you published from a course, you can copy it over, but you wouldn't be able to use that as your parent course. Okay, reach out to me if you have questions about that. Okay, so I would just start a new course as your umbrella class, and then go ahead and go into it. So I've already opened it up over here. You want to grab that code, the 3-digit code at the end of the URL. So in this case, it's 674. You want to write that down or remember it or copy it. Then you're going to go into the child course. This is my period 1 class. Go into, let me start again. I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom here to settings. Okay, and then it should probably default to course details, but I'm going to go up here to sections. Okay, under sections, I'll click on the actual section, and then you want to click on this button called cross list a section. Where that course ID is, you'll paste in that course, that 3-digit code. Okay, and then double check that it is the correct course you want to put it into. You can cross-list the section, and then it'll say successfully cross-listed. How do you know that it's done correctly? When you refresh your dashboard, your period, the one that you just cross-listed disappeared because it will be listed under the parent course. If I go back in the parent course and I go down to settings, and it should, it should be there under the course section. Okay, so again, under settings for the course, if it defaults to course details, you can click on this tab for sections to find it. You're going to do that again for the other section that you need to cross list. So I'm going to put in 674, okay, and then cross list. Then what happens here is I'm going to close this, refresh this one. So this is the parent course. Then it should all be in here. So right now, everything is unpublished. Once you're ready to publish, then you can click publish, and then your students will then be able to see your course. Okay, and they'll be listed in there. So I'm going to pause here for a minute. All right. So if you did this correctly in your gradebook, you should be able to see and view, let's see, filter by section. Okay, so then you'll be able to see it by all of them or by sections here. You should also be able to filter by grading periods once that's up and running for you. Okay,